wanna stumble. The leaders lose them way. Headless in the palace, blind men rule the day. The oil wells are burning, the ocean full of dread. But look up to the heavens, the sun now bow him head. He rise above the smoke and the ruin and the light. Same as him did rise before the first of man did cry. No parliament can dim him, no missile reach him throne. The great fire keep on burning, and we never walk alone. One fire in the sky, drawing every soul from the east unto the west, making broken people whole. Magnetize the poles, send them rays across the sea. What Babylon divide, just on connect for free. One fire, one fire, and we all beneath the same. One fire. The system built its walls, drew its borders in the sand. Said this man not reach you, and you not touch this land. But the light not read no visa, not respect no fence or wire. Every living soul on earth beneath the same great fire. The farmer and the soldier, and the picnic and the sage, the prisoner in the darkness and the prophet on the stage, all one beneath the same rays, all turning on the same tide. No Babylon so powerful to stop the light inside. Science call it radiation, spirit call it grace. Same force touching every nation, every creed and every faith. The poles align, the compass find its true, not because of president, because the sun says so. And the sun was here before them, and the sun remain when them go. So when the news are heavy, and the children ask you why, point them to the morning, point them to the sky. Tell them just still burning, tell them light still true. Tell them every dawning, send him love straight through. Rough times not last always, even stone must wear away. But the sun been rising faithful since before the first of day. We connected through his mercy.